8 videos ago, Claude was a search bar with better manners. Look at the same account now. A workspace with your rules saved permanently, a shelf of your real files that every conversation consults, page of notes about you that you've personally read and edited, a folder of outputs, documents, artifacts, real spreadsheets that you actually use. Nobody watching from over your shoulder would call this trying an AI chatbot. This is a working setup. It's yours and it compounds. This is the level 0 wrap of Claude for everyone. The recap, the build check, your quiz. If you've landed here first somehow, the playlist below starts at the real beginning. The whole level in 5 lines. Claude predicts plausible text, so confidence proves nothing. Verify what matters. A good ask is a brief, goal, context, format, constraints. One example beats 3 paragraphs. Documents get uploaded, mixed paste get labels, and real work means restructure, extract, cross-reference. Outputs come on 4 surfaces and publish means public permanently. The second brain, instructions are how it behaves. Knowledge is what it consults. Memory is who you are. Before the quiz, check the build, because the build is the point. 5 yes or no items. 1. Your project exists and is named after a real area of your work. 2. Instructions are saved. A brand new chat in the project follows them without being asked. 3. At least 2 real files sit in project knowledge. 4. You ran the 2-chat test and watched a filed fact carry over. 5. You've read your memory page, all of it, and edited at least 1 entry. 5 yeses means level 0 is genuinely done. Everything after this builds on that project. No, the video that fixes it is linked below. Now the quiz, 7 questions, 1 per video, attached to this course right here on YouTube. It's short on purpose and every question tests something you did, not something you memorized. If a question stinks, its video is 1 click away. Pass it and level 0 is officially yours. Here's what changes next. Everything so far ends with Claude telling you things. Level 1 is where it starts doing things, taking a messy folder of real files and cleaning it up itself, with your approval at every step. Honest plan note before you click, co-work needs a paid plan. If you're on free watch anyway, the mental model transfers completely and your project, the shelf and the rules you just built, stays the home base for everything that follows. Bring a messy folder. See you in level 1.